Toy cars couldn't get any hotter with the Hot Wheels Street Hawk remote control flying car, which gives you a glimpse of the future with its 2.4 GHz transmitter, dual 8mm electric motors, and dual propellers for maximum air power. How much is the Hot Wheels Street Hawk remote control flying car? This flying toy car has a selling price of $49.99. Now let's have a look at some of the main positive and negative aspects. Durable and light, the Street Hawk brings you 2-in-1 action. It races and it flies too. This car features high ground speed and a powerful flying action in the air. It can fly up to more than 200 feet, and the propellers can spin over 3,500 RPMs. This is one versatile toy that you wouldn't want to miss out on. Here's our conclusion. Get behind the wheel and take to the skies with a Hot Wheels Street Hawk remote control flying car. Thanks for checking out our review. To find out more about this product, click on the link below this video now.